Good afternoon, Jamie David at Mills GM here in Baxter. I'd like to take you through one of our really nice pre-owned used trucks on our lot. This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. Stock number is 2A110070. Take a peek under the hood. All you GM guys know that the 5.3 is pretty standard engine across the board. Nice and clean. This truck is the red jewel coat color, kind of a burgundy with some metal flake in it. Really pretty. Good looking truck. Tires are good. Running boards. And it is an LTZ. On the interior we have heated seats with memory, power fold mirrors. We also have a CD player with a 6-disc changer, climate control, and then you do have power adjustable pedals with a rear park assist. 44,819 miles on this Avalanche. And it does have a moonroof as well. Crew cab, we're going to take a walk around the backside also. Good looking truck. Tonneau cover, rear park assist. Tabs are even good till May of 12. Just a great buy here at Mills GM. If you have any other questions about this truck, please contact Jamie at Mills GM. Thank you.